Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. You want to come here as a student, get an F-1, and you or someone you know has been denied, and one of the big reasons they deny you is 214B. What does that mean? Well, when you come here as a student, it's not just a matter of showing you have the I-20 to go to school, showing that you met the requirements to be admitted, and showing that you have or will have sufficient grades. 214B deals with your intent. That means that they do not believe that you have what's called non-immigrant intent, that you intend to go back to your home country once you're done with your education. You may or may not, and you can later change your intent, but at the time of the interview, that's what's most important. So when you submit the F-1 application, you need a whole lot more than just showing the I-20 and a whole lot more about your intent than just saying, yes, I intend to come back to my home country. Everybody's going to say that. You need to prove it, okay? And that's done in different ways. Every case is different. I get a lot of questions, say, can you give me everything I need in order to apply for an F-1? And I can't do that because it's very individualized. For example, sometimes if they have families and the families remain in the home country, obviously they're not going to just abandon their family, so they list who the family is and where they're going back. If they have a job in their home country and that job is going to keep it open for them to increase their abilities to be able to come back, that also helps. If they have assets, meaning if they own a home, if they own things and that's going to remain in the foreign country while they are here in the U.S. So obviously the more difficult F-1s are those people who are single, they have no family, no assets, no job. Okay, that's an issue. Additionally, you have to show that you have sufficient money so that you won't be forced to unlawfully work while you are on F-1 status. So whether that comes from family, from work in your home country, from a friend, whoever it is, they need to prove with sufficient detail that they will provide all the tuition costs, the room and board, the living, so that you aren't tempted to work while being out of status. And that's basically how you put together a good F-1. All right.